Today, I'm going to talk about a very important issue. An issue that might seem simple, but it has a profound impact on your quality of life, self-confidence, and even your social, family, and marital relationships. And that is none other than bad armpit odor. A pleasant scent makes the people around us feel better about being near us. They might even show us more respect. Your partner will truly want to be with you even more. And your friends will genuinely enjoy spending time with you much more. But what about the opposite? Unpleasant body odor, especially under the arms, makes others distance themselves from you, lowers your self-confidence, and makes your partner avoid you. These things really do happen. So essentially, we're facing a major issue that I'll teach you how to fix in this very video. And you're going to do this with 4 natural and completely homemade solutions that are not only fully effective, but unlike those deodorants, roll-ons, and antiperspirants, they don't have harmful additives. They don't contain alcohol, aluminum, or parabens. Substances that not only irritate the skin, but can even disrupt your hormones. And in some research, their traces have been linked to cancer, especially breast cancer. So if you'd like to always smell good, at the lowest cost and without harmful chemicals, be sure to stay with me until the end of this video. And if you haven't joined the channel yet, well, go ahead and subscribe. Set the bell to all so that whenever I post a video, it notifies you and you can come join me. Okay, let's move on to the first item. Number 1, coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most natural, safest, and most versatile substances you can use in your skincare routine. This oil has a mild, natural, and lovely scent that can give you a sense of cleanliness and freshness. This oil is rich in beneficial fatty acids, especially lauric acid, a compound that has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. At the same time, coconut oil is not only harmless, but it even softens, moisturizes, and nourishes your underarm skin. It also doesn't have any of those harmful chemical additives that are abundant in deodorants and roll-ons. And because underarm skin is usually thin and sensitive, using coconut oil allows you to both prevent bad odor and ensure your skin doesn't get dry or irritated, especially after you shave. So if you want your underarms to be fragrant and healthy, coconut oil is one of the best natural choices that's both a deodorizer and a skincare product. Now, how do you use it? After a shower or on clean, dry skin, take a very small amount of coconut oil, about half a teaspoon, and gently massage it onto your underarm skin with your finger. Then let it absorb, and it doesn't even need to be washed off. Number 2, baking soda. One of the main reasons for underarm odor is the presence of bacteria that grow in the moist and warm environment of your armpits and turn your body sweat into smelly compounds. Now, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a white, odorless, and natural substance that directly targets these bacteria and stops them from growing. Additionally, by regulating your skin's acidity level, it creates conditions where harmful bacteria can no longer survive easily. Baking soda, unlike many of these chemical deodorants and antiperspirants that have a lot of harmful ingredients, it's completely natural, harmless, and safer. And it controls the bad odor without even blocking your body's natural functions like sweating. However, in some people with very sensitive skin, its continuous use might cause a bit of excessive dryness or skin irritation. In that case, you can reduce the amount. Now, how's the method of use? You can mix a small amount of baking soda with water, and once a small paste is formed, rub a little bit of it under your arms. You can also wet your finger a little bit. This way, the baking soda easily sticks to your fingers, and then you can easily apply it to your armpits. In both methods, let it stay for 10 to 20 minutes, and then gently wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 3, tea tree oil. This oil is one of the strongest and most widely used oils in the world, which has been used for centuries to treat wounds, infections, and skin diseases. But what makes this oil an excellent option for removing underarm odor is its powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree oil is a natural and safe option that attacks the root of the problem and eliminates the germs. So not only does it reduce underarm odor, but you can also use it to treat acne, skin irritation, and underarm redness. But this oil has its own unique and pungent scent that might seem a bit too strong for some people at first. That is normal. This oil is absorbed into the skin really quickly. It significantly reduces bad odor, and using it daily will keep your underarms cleaner, healthier, and smelling better. To use tea tree oil, since this oil is very concentrated, it's better not to apply it directly to the skin and dilute it instead. So mix 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil with about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then apply it to your underarm skin with a clean finger. And what's more, it doesn't even need to be washed off, unless you feel a burning sensation or skin irritation. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Yes, you heard that right. This is one of the most natural and effective substances you can use for skincare and body health. Apple cider vinegar has good acetic acid, enzymes, and antioxidants. It has natural antiseptic properties and is a skin pH balancer. This vinegar neither clogs your pores nor disrupts your body's natural function, and it has no long-term side effects. It only eliminates harmful bacteria and keeps the skin in a natural and healthy state. Plus, due to its acidic nature, it creates an environment where other harmful bacteria can no longer grow. Therefore, the bad odor will basically disappear or be significantly reduced. In addition, regular use of apple cider vinegar can also reduce underarm darkness, as it has mild exfoliating properties and gradually clears away dead skin cells. They're gone for good. Okay, so how do you use it? Since pure apple cider vinegar might be a bit strong or irritating for some skin types, I suggest you dilute it before use. So mix it half water and half apple cider vinegar, which is a 1-to-1 ratio. Soak a pad or cotton ball in this solution and apply it to your clean underarm skin. Let it dry, then get dressed and go about your day. And yes, this also doesn't need to be washed off after application. But if you experience skin irritation, you can wash it off after it dries or increase the dilution amount, 2-to-1 water and vinegar. And if you're worried about the strong smell, don't be. After a few minutes, the smell will completely fade away. Now, make sure to watch this video. It's gonna surprise you. This video also has some amazing information. Don't miss out on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in one of these 2 videos.